Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joice Hair, and today's video I will show you Joice Hair T-part wig. T-part this wig is very popular compared with regular 13x4 or 13x6 lace frontal wig. T-part wig is much more cheaper in the price, but also it allows you to have a good parting space in the middle and also have a very realistic front hairline, so that's why it's very popular. Today's video I will show you two T-part lace wig that we make. These are both made of HD lace T-part wig. So we have HD lace, we also have transparent lace. Transparent lace, you can see this is made of the HD lace. See how melted and how undetectable is our HD lace. You can see this is very nice HD lace. So the frontal hairline is very much realistic, very beautiful, and also it allows you to have a space. You can see here it's around 5 to 6 inches here for you to part. Compared with regular lace frontal wig, it's much more cheaper. So have a look at this. One is made of the body weave, and inside is the same with regular regular lace wig. You can see, and we can make all different textures for T-part lace wig. This one is body weave. This is curly. We also have straight and any type of textures that we can make, and also we can make in other hair quality like Remy hair or virgin hair or 613 hair. You can all customize with Joice Hair. So if you want more affordable lace wig, you can choose this T-part lace wig, and you can contact us or place your order on www.joicehair.com. If you want this lace wigs in wholesale, you can also inquire us. Thank you for watching today's video. If you're new to this channel, kindly subscribe and have a great day.